Welcome to Mega Fact Attack. And today we're launching a brand new quiz style format. I'll read a strange or surprising animal fact. You'll get four choices, and then you'll have 5 seconds to lock in your answer before the timer runs out. Ready to test your animal knowledge? Let's jump into round one. This animal can hold its breath for up to 40 minutes. The answer is B, the sloth. This animal can rotate its head 270 degrees. Correct answer B. Owl. This animal's punch is fast enough to create an underwater shock wave. C. Mantis shrimp. This animal has a tongue longer than its entire body. C. Chameleon. This mammal sleeps under 2 hours a day. C. Giraffe. This tiny creature can survive boiling, freezing, radiation, even outer space. C. Tardigrade. This animal has the strongest bite force on Earth. C. Saltwater crocodile. Its heart is so big a human could swim through its arteries. C. Blue whale. This animal can run on water without sinking. A. Basilisk lizard. This creature has transparent skin. B. Glass frog. This animal can regrow limbs and even part of its heart. B. Axolotl. This animal has stripes on its fur and its skin. B. The tiger. This bird can mimic chainsaws, car alarms, and cameras. C. Lyrebird. This animal has the largest eyes on the planet. D. Giant squid. This animal can freeze solid and thaw back to life. A. Wood frog. These animals greet each other by kissing. C. Prairie dogs. This creature has a three-chambered stomach and loves to headbutt. A. Goat. This bird can recognize itself in a mirror. C. Magpie. This animal can smell water from more than 3 miles away. C. Elephant. This animal's fur is actually transparent, not white. D. Polar bear. This creature's brain is shaped like a donut. C. Octopus. This animal can jump 6 times its body length. A. Cat. This insect's death scream is actually its wings. A. Cicada. This animal has blue blood thanks to copper based hemocyanin. B. Horseshoe crab. This animal sometimes communicates by peeing on friends. C. Maned wolf. Quiz complete. Comment your score below and let me know if you want another quiz style episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More Mega Fact Tech quizzes are coming soon.